Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a logo in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your brand or just making visual adjustments to your site, knowing how to modify your logo directly within Weebly can save you time and keep your website looking polished and professional. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. If you manage multiple websites through Weebly, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. Select the one where you need to update the logo. Once you've selected your site, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you into the editor page of your website where you can make changes to your design and content in real time. Now that you're in the editor, locate your logo on the page. Hover your cursor over it, and you'll notice that Weebly highlights the element. Click on the logo, and an edit option will appear. Click Edit to open the logo customization panel. Here's where the magic happens. Weebly provides several built-in editing tools that let you adjust your logo without needing external software. First, you can crop your logo if you need to remove extra space or focus on a specific part of the image. This is especially useful if your logo file has unnecessary borders or background. Next, you have access to filters. These allow you to change the overall look and feel of your logo with just one click. You can also manually adjust settings like brightness, saturation, and contrast. These adjustments help ensure your logo looks sharp and matches the color scheme of your site. If you want to add text directly onto your logo, Weebly lets you do that too. This can be handy if you're combining a graphic with a tagline or business name. Additionally, you can set the focus of your logo, which helps control what stands out most in the image. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, simply click Save. Your updated logo will now be live on your website, and that's it. You've successfully edited your logo in Weebly using the platform's built-in tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.